Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a crochet braids video. I posted one a couple of weeks ago on how to achieve beautiful bouncy curls. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve one curls. This hair is exactly the same hair that I had on in the last video. I just brushed it out, blow dried it and recurl it to create one curls. So if you want to know all about this hair and how to achieve the bouncy curls, I'm going to put a link on the screen somewhere and also in the description box below. I'm not going to go through all of what this hair is about or what kind of hair I use. I answered all those questions in the previous video, and you can also put in the comment sections if you have any questions. So if you want to see how I created this juicy one curls, please keep watching. First thing I do is just section the hair and use a white tooth comb to just detangle and brush it out, and then you could go ahead and recurl it after brushing it out, or if you want it like really silky and you want the curls to look really nice, I'll go ahead and slightly blow dry it. A quick tip: if you are detangling your hair, if you have natural hair, you probably know this already, but always start from the tip and work your way up to the roots. That way you can get all the knots out and you don't give yourself a headache. Alright guys, so I'm done detangling the hair. I'm going to run the blow dryer over it just a little bit to get the hair a little bit straighter, and then I'll go ahead and start curling. The easiest way to do it is to get the blow dryers that have the comb attached to it. That's so much easier to just use to blow dry the hair. I don't have that anymore, so I'm going to use my Denman brush and a blow dryer. Okay, to start off, I usually section the hair into two parts and just tie one away. And I'll try to get as close as possible so you can see exactly how I'm curling the hair. If you want to know about the rollers that I use, check my previous videos. I use the same one and I talk about it all the time. So just start from the back and take little sections. So the difference between the bouncy curl and the one curl is where you start the curl from. With the bouncy curl, I usually start from the tip, and with the one curls, I start from the base. So just take your rollers and roll really tightly around the rollers up until you get to the end. And go ahead and pin it. When you're pinning the hair, make sure you pin it on the end of the rollers, like where you wrap your last strand. Make sure that's where you pin it so it doesn't unravel. If you have natural hair and you do you use the flexi rod to curl your hair, it's very similar to how you curl your natural hair around the flexi rod. It's pretty much the same thing. So I will zoom in and show you really closely how I curl this. So I'm done curling the hair. It took a lot longer than expected. This usually takes longer than the bouncy curl because it takes more precision to get the curls the way I want it to. But I'm going to sit in these rollers for about 30 minutes and I will be right back. Alright, I've been sitting in these rollers for 30 minutes and it's time to take it down. You already know the drill if you have been on my page before. Oh my god, guys, look at how juicy these curls are. I love it so much. So usually a lot of my clients, when I do it for them, I just leave it like this because the curls will fall with time. But with me, I like to separate it a little bit to make it bigger. So I'm just gonna go in and just separate each curl just a bit. Alrighty guys, this is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know when I post new videos. Let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comment section below, and if you have any suggestions as to what kind of videos you want me to do next, just let me know. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.